now we're doing our lentil and bean lasagna. And this is, well, it smells incredible just already what we've got going on here. But I feel like this is something if you wanted to convert a meat lover, or, you know, it's just like, it's delicious and it's got a lot of really good, hearty, wonderful things in it.
Absolutely. And what we're doing here is we're just using pulses to kind of stand in for that meat, to add a little bit of depth and also flavor. It's really nice. So for those of you looking to incorporate a little bit more of a plant-forward diet into your weeknight stuff,
This is what we want to do.
This is it.
It's way to go.
So starting off here, we have a pot, and in the recipe, we've done everything up to and including adding the diced tomatoes. So essentially what we've done is we've sauteed off some onions, garlic, spices, as well as some diced tomatoes. We've let that kind of come together with a little bit of salt and pepper, right, tasting as we went. And now we're just going to go ahead and add our pulses. So we've crushed some black beans, and that'll just go in. And we have some cooked lentils as well, and that'll go in. We'll give that a nice stir.
And again, you could do these like you could do from dry, like soak them, or you can use it from a can. Either one of those options, right?
So either way, you want to make sure that they're cooked first.
Yeah.
But as long as they're cooked, you can go can, or you can cook them yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, either way. So now we have our pulses in here. We let that kind of simmer for a couple of minutes, and we'll add, now this here is chicken stock, but if you want to go full vegetable, you can switch that out for water or vegetable stock. We'll give that a stir. And then we want to bring this up to a simmer and let that simmer for about 20 minutes to get the consistency that we want.
Okay.
Now here we have a simmered version.
This is the consistency we want, right?
Exactly, right? So not too loose, but not too stiff. And now we're going to go ahead and add in our ricotta.
Okay.
So
that would be this, would be the
exactly,
ricotta.
perfect,
Okay.
Des.
And just dump it and
Just
then
dump it
fold
right in. Perfect. So you can start folding that in.
Okay.
Wonderful. And that's just going to add a nice creaminess to the sauce. Give just a little pinch of parsley if you don't mind.
Parsley, okay. Parsley, quite parsley.
Perfect.
Okay.
Wicked. Looking great. You're a master folder.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Okay, so that's looking good. And we're just about ready to assemble here. So Des, I'm going to get you to go ahead and pop just a little spoonful of our sauce into the bottom of the pan here.
Okay.
Wonderful. Give that just a little spread around.
Okay.
Excellent.
I guess the idea is that you sort of try and cover the whole bottom
Exactly,
of the...
yeah. It doesn't have to be perfect. It'll come together.
Okay.
And now we're going to pop just a couple of noodles on.
Okay.
Now, ideally here we would be filling up the bottom.
Which we almost do, but not quite.
Which we almost do, but that's all right.
Okay, and then
it's not an
let me guess.
Science.
We're gonna keep going with that. We're gonna keep layering it up.
Exactly. So what we do is we'd add about a third of our sauce here, more noodles, more sauce, until you're all the way up, just like this one here. And then that's ready for the oven. Right in there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. So we'll want to let that cook for about 30 minutes at 350. After 30 minutes, we'll pull it out. We'll add Parmesan, a nice covering, and then we'll pop it back in for another 30 minutes.
Oh, just to kind of...
Exactly. Yeah. You want that golden brown and delicious crust.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah. And then...
Wait, I think we've got one percolating in there, do we not?
Yes, we do.
Here we go, the big reveal.
Woo! So after about a full hour, all told, ooh, you're going to get something like this. And then you can go ahead and throw a little bit more parsley over top of that.
Okay.
Never opposed to more parsley.
That looks beautiful. So you've got a new family favorite, or a twist on a family favorite that you've enjoyed for a number of years. And you know what's really cool about this, of course, is that we've got something brand new this season on Great Tastes. Is we have these Supper Central meal kits. This is one of the recipes where you can basically go down to Supper Central and, they've kind of got it all broken down for you. It's all ready to go. So, but thank you very much, Chef, for showing us how we can put it together ourselves. Simple, lovely, wonderful. When we come back, I have been waiting a while for this. The vanilla custard with red lentil and oat crumble. You said it's going to change your life.
It's going to be great.
You said it was going to change your life. I love it already.
Yeah.
Okay, don't go anywhere. Great Taste of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by Manitoba's farmers and ranchers. Local farms, local foods.